What's going on, guys? We are back in Rome. We're at the train station right now from the airport, about to head to Trastevere. Italian train tickets are very confusing because you do have to validate these at these validating machines, but none of these people seem to be doing it. I want to avoid the fine, so we're definitely going to do it. Never mind, a Trenitalia representative just told us we do not need to stamp these to validate them, so we're good. Here's our train to Trastevere. Oh my gosh. Trains are very nice in Italy. We made it to our stop, Roma Trastevere. Now, it's time to go find some lunch. We're quickly noticing that Trastevere train station is about a half-hour walk from where the actual beautiful streets of Trastevere are. So we're making our way there now. We're starting to get into the nicer parts of Trastevere finally. Almost to lunch. You can tell we're getting in the heart of Trastevere now because there is a lot more tourists walking through here. We're in Piazza di Santa Maria. This is beautiful. A lot of graffiti down this little road. Tonarello is our lunch spot for today. Cool little place to grab some lunch. Heard the pasta here is very good, so let's hope it lives up to the hype. I love that they have glass Coke bottles in Italy too. Makes the Coke taste more fresh. Britlet with cacio e pepe, which is cheese and pepper. And then manza porpetta, which is just regular spaghetti with a meatball in it. They also brought us out some bread. This looks really good. Gonna get a bite of the meatball with my first bite here. Wow, that is 9.6 out of 10. Really good pasta. After that amazing lunch, we're now headed to Castel Sant'Angelo. Hopefully we can do a tour of it. If not, we're gonna enjoy some of the sights around us because it is beautiful. As we're walking to Castel Sant'Angelo, we found this little building here. Looks like we can walk right through it. Let's go check it out. Beautiful little private area back here. Such incredible architecture. But let's get back on the road. One thing we didn't get to do in our first few days here in Rome was walk along the river. Well, we get to do that the whole way to Castel Sant'Angelo now. There it is, Castel Sant'Angelo. I've been wanting to go to a castle. Here's a castle. This might be one of the best views in Rome. There's St. Peter's Basilica off in the distance where Mass is actually going on right now. And then you pan over to Castel Sant'Angelo. This started in 135 AD by Emperor Hadrian as a mausoleum to himself. Later used as a fortress and a castle by popes. Super awesome. We got our tickets into the castle. It was 16 euros per person. So 32 total, not too bad. We're skipping the audio guide. We're just gonna see some of these sites, go find some pizza after this, some gelato, then head back to the hotel. It's a giant wheel. No way, there's a catapult up here. Obviously that's not original. Maybe the cast iron is, but the wood wouldn't survive this long. This is epic. These views from this castle, wow. That door's insane. Wow. How cool is this? Whoa. Look at this view of Vatican City. This just keeps getting better. Painted in 53 AD. Wow. This is a pretty short little doorway. Even I can barely fit through here. Beautiful. This is the room of the Pope of the Medici family. Even the outdoor terraces of the castle are beautifully done. I'm impressed with how well this has stayed preserved. We're going to check out the Angel's Terrace. Another incredible room. There literally is just so much to see in Rome. Time to head up to the Terrace of the Angels. Is this the best view of Rome? St. Peter's Basilica on that side. Wow. Time to go back into the castle. These are some of the most beautiful views of Rome that I've seen. Castel Sant'Angelo was amazing to walk through. Just the price alone for the views is worth it, not even including the history. Definitely come here if you're going to Rome. Look at the exit of this place. We have an early flight to catch in the morning, but before we head out of Rome for the final time on this trip, we're about to go grab some pizza. Pizza Zizza, our last stop in Roma. This pizza spot is right next to the Vatican. You can see the pillars off there in the distance. It's very nice. Here's our little pizza platter. We got spicy salami and then just the regular. Let's try this out. I'm gonna do a bite of the spicy salami first. This looks pretty good. Wow. Very good. 8.6 out of 10 for that. Let me try the Classico. Very cheesy. 9.2 out of 10 for that. That's very good. We made it back to our hotel room, and it's that unfortunate time of the trip. The vlog series is completely over now. A few helpful tips if you are coming to Italy though. Make sure you pre-plan the routes for the day. There is a lot of walking, and if you are going on the Odyssey of the Seas cruise, which I highly recommend, make sure you plan that out well in advance too. Renting a UTV in Santorini was one of the best possible things we could have done. And again, renting the car in Mykonos, also a great choice. But do whatever you guys want to do to have fun on your cruise. But always remember, keep your passport on you in Europe. We actually got our passports checked twice when we were out in the streets of Italy. So they definitely do check them. But I do appreciate you guys coming along for this vlog series, and adventure on.